objective of training. What is the primary objective of training program? You can see from the slide, the objective training program should be to collect data. The data collection, the sampling of data or whatever the survey of data, that will serve as a valid basis for analyzing the training system. And also this data should actually ensure the quality of the training program. It should reflect the quality of the training program. And so that's the importance of collecting data. It should not be any wasteful exercise when you're collecting data of the training program. The validity has to be maintained, the reliability of the data, to ensure that the results of the data reflects the work performance of the employees or the actual organizational performance. The results should ensure that. So that's the importance of the validity of the data or the feedback. And Hamilton has actually given us that there are 5 levels approaches to the training evaluation. There are so many approaches have been given by so many people. So we just evaluate 1 or 2 important approaches for the academic purpose. So first one is Hamilton has actually suggested a 5-level approaches. Now this 5 level is reaction, learning, job behavior, organization, and ultimate value. So starting from the base, the reaction, to the learning aspects, to the job behavior, higher level organization, and the ultimate value. So reaction, what do you get the meaning of reaction to the training? The simple meaning. If you hear the word meaning that you have to undergo a training program, what is the reaction of the employee? The same thing. So the training program actually has certain goals. But before that, you need to understand the trainee's reaction to the overall, the usefulness of the training program. So I can cite my own example. We faculties, during my previous college, faculties have to undergo a faculty training program that is called FTP. And the uniqueness of this program is that we have to undergo training in Hyderabad, not in my native place, Bangalore. And that to 1 month training. So the immediate reaction to that, oh yes, you are selected for the training program. And the reaction, it's not positive. Actually, you can expect from it. So the reaction is you have to relocate to a new city and you have to look into the accommodation and everything. So that reaction from the side of the faculty is that it was not a positive, my personal experience. So this is a reaction which employees actually display. So potential display or the potential benefits might not be, the employees might not first get the potential benefits to it. The initial reaction that comes out, that's what is the first approach to the evaluation. So what is the reaction to the overall usefulness of the training program that has been conducted? So in our case, faculty development program or training program, it actually object was to enhance the delivery of the session, how we should conduct a management session. So it's not a usual class session we have in management schools. There are certain methodologies there are so many ways in which you can deliver your points, and the faculties are actually facilitators. They are not actually teaching something. The teaching material is given to the student material is given to the students, so they can read it. But only thing is we need to facilitate. There should be a bridge. We should act as a facilitator. That was our focus, and how we should be trained to present those sections. And what are the methodologies in teaching aspects, like case study, how to handle the case studies, and all those through management games we can put forward how students should be taken on management sessions, how do we do the sessions, how do we present it, all those aspects, role playing in the class. So if you want to explain about the role play, we need to be aware how role play is done. So this methodology in the faculty training program covers everything, and also the sessions. I've taken HRM. So within 1 month we have to complete the entire program, and we have exams regarding that. So initial all this is actually fear in the mind. So if we have not cleared the program, we will not be asked to return to our centers. We will be retained and we have to again repeat. So all this first thing comes in the reaction of faculties for the faculty training program is all negative aspect, because fear comes in it. But after the sessions only we understood the importance of undergoing all these training programs. So same way the reaction of the students, the employees towards the training programs. So the potential questions that a trainer will actually get it from the trainees. What are the learning objectives of this training program? So do you achieve them? If I don't undergo the training programs, so do I achieve them? So do you like this program? So these are some of the questions which a trainer have to actually answer the trainees, the potential question. We need to anticipate the questions, not just the importance of training program. We need to anticipate the potential questions. Some other questions the trainees will be asking. So this is the initial level, or the direct reaction level you can learn about the training program. Now, learning aspects. So reaction. Now coming the learning aspects of the training program. So here you are actually evaluating the trainer's ability. How able, qualified is the trainer, and also the trainee's ability. Trainee's ability means on the basis of the quality of the content, the quality of the program, so the methodologies used, and what has the trainee learned from the training program. So these is the learning aspects, the learning, what have you learned from the training session. This is the second level. Okay, so first is the reaction of the training program. Second is the learning aspect. This is very, very important. And how much the trainer's ability to convey the session, and what was the trainee absorbed, or what has he learned new from the training session. So this is the second level. The third level is job behavior. Now job behavior is actually change, or the change that you wanted to see in the employees or the trainees after the training session. There has to be a change in the behavior. If it is a customer service person, there has to be a change in the behavior towards the handling the customers. He will be giving trainings in handling the customers, querying customers, complaining customers. So how do you handle the situation? So that type of training is given, and mock sessions will also be given. So in actual training, actual work environment, there has to be expected change in the job behavior. So how much the employee or the trainee has applied his training or what he has learned to the job. So there has to be some sort of transfer of learning to the job. In this way, there is a change in the behavior. So after a training session, we will expect, or we should see a tangible change in the behavior of the trainee. And next is organization. Now from organization level of evaluation, it comes into the overall, the training evaluation, the programs, and change in the behavior in the organization as a whole. That is all the members in the organization who has undergone training. So overall, it's not an individual, from group, and it actually focused on increased productivity, lesser mistakes in the job. So that means lesser mistake means less cost, and morale. The employee morale has enhanced, sale has increased. So overall we see that the organizational change is seen after the training program. So this is the organization level evaluation, the overall change in the organization's performance. So this is the aspect the top management is looking at. So they are expecting some sort of change, because they are investing in the training program. So this is the overall evaluation of the organization after the training program. Then ultimate value, the ultimate result of the contributions of the training program to the company, like growth, profitability, there's increase in profitability. So this is the value, the ultimate value that has been enhanced because of the training program. And development of personality to individuals, like development of personality, career development, then goal setting, and maximizing social benefits. Those aspects are individual. So individual also should feel that there is a change in his personality, change in his career, overall the enhancement. So this is the ultimate value that has been given for the program to the organization, and then the ultimate value. So this is a 5-level approaches to the training evaluation.